welcome to PK na Betty YouTube channel. Please try this recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Okay, hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to PK na Betty's YouTube channel, and let me take this opportunity to welcome our new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing in my YouTube channel. We are here to learn from one another. Okay, so today I want us to cook chicken wings. Okay, chicken wings, and as we can see here, I've already started preparing our chicken wings. Somebody educated me and told me when you're preparing chicken wings, you don't need to prepare for people this one. But I'm not going to throw away even these two small parts. Kids can take these two small parts. So I'll still cook them. But for the sake of this particular video, I've tried separating the two small wings, and then we have got the major ones, this one and this one, as we can see. So karibu sana, and I love you all. So let us learn together. Cooking, it is about exploring. It is not it is not something that is so fixed that this is how I do it. So we are only learning together, and that's why I'm welcoming you so that we can learn together. Okay, so I want us to wash them. Just wash them. Here. Double grill pan that I'll be cooking with, because I don't want to deep fry them completely in the oil. I just want to cook them in niweke moto kidogo sana, and then we let them cook slowly. I think that one will work for us. Okay. Okay, so we let it warm up. Any other sufuria you can use it, but if you prefer to deep fry, you can deep fry. It is according to you. That's why I say that cooking, you don't have to say that this is how I do my things. You can change according to what you're preparing. Okay, I want to put a bit of spices. I don't know what else I'm going to use. So this one is onion flavor, and I usually love onion flavor. So we'll just put a helps a lot when you're putting turmeric. Turmeric works well with black pepper. Yeah, it helps the turmeric to be absorbed in the body. So ensure even when you're taking turmeric milk, put a bit of black pepper. Okay. Then my favorite, as you know, I must have this. So you can measure like 1 spoon, depending with what do we call the amount. And then we have got our corn flour here. Our corn flour. So I'll just put a bit, not a lot, but a bit. Okay, that's it. And then a little salt. I think I can put 1 cube. Okay, a cube. 1 cube. So you can put either Royco cube, Maggi cube, you know. It depends on what you want to put. And then just a bit of salt, because already we have put a little cube. Just salt kidogo too. Don't put a lot. Okay. I think that is it. Okay. Now we want to mix. Can we mix together? I usually use these disposable gloves polythene. They are around 100 pieces. So, and you can get them from the supermarket. So come we mix together. Just massage them. Massage your chicken wings. But now they are supposed to stay for around 1 hour so that they can get the taste. Okay. So that they can get the taste, but because I was not able to do that yesterday, we'll just cook them that way because we are not even deep frying them. Okay, so this is how they look like. Yeah, after massaging them very well, ensure that. Okay, so let me remove this. No, let me stay with this. So that now we can put them inside the double cream pan. Okay, and it is very hot. You have to be very careful. Very careful. We're going to put them on a very low heat. Just arrange them well. Just leave them for some time, like maybe 30 minutes, and then we're going to check how they are peeling on so that we can turn the other side. Okay. So we want to check and see. Woo! I wish you were here, my friends. Hey, they are Loma. Look at them. Oh my goodness. So we want to turn them so that they can cook on all the sides. You can see? Even the camera person here, I'm telling you. Hey! So let us give it a few minutes, like maybe another 6 to cook on the other side. Okay? So you can see the final product. This is our chicken wings look like in a double grilled pan.